Hey there, welcome to Jony English. This is Kamrul Hasan Jony, assistant teacher, Bangladesh Gasfields School and College. Recently, I've completed a phonetics course from TESOL Bangladesh. Now it's my responsibility to share my experience so that Bangladeshi learners can be benefited. So today I'm here to discuss 10 words about education, which most of the learners of Bangladesh probably mispronounce. So let's start today's lesson. Lovely viewers, this is the first word we are going to learn today. First of all, tell me what is the correct pronunciation of this word. What did you say? I'm sorry, I can't hear you. Maybe you are right or maybe wrong, but I know from my experience that most of the students of Bangladesh pronounce this word like education or education. But it's a wrong pronunciation. The correct pronunciation will be education. Education. Please repeat after me. Education. 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 Very good. Now, a question may arise in your mind. How can I know the correct pronunciation? To know the correct pronunciation, you should learn IPA. The full form of IPA is International Phonetic Alphabet. There are 44 symbols in IPA, and each symbol has a different sound. If you search a word in the Oxford English to English Dictionary, you will find some symbols in the right side of the word enclosed by two flash marks like this. Altogether, they are called phonemic transcription. So, if you learn IPA, you can easily know the correct pronunciation of any word seeing the phonemic transcription. Lovely viewers, another important thing is stress. That means giving force in a particular syllable. When there are more than one syllable in a word, one syllable must be stressed. Look at that word, education. There are 4 syllables in this word. They are education. And the syllable K will be stressed. Listen carefully. Education, education, education. I hope you can understand. I will discuss everything about phonetics in my next videos, so stay connected with me. Now, I'm moving to the next word about education, that is teacher. People pronounce it like teacher, but it's a wrong pronunciation. The correct pronunciation will be teacher. You should be careful about the final R. When the letter R in the end of a word, it will always be silent. So, please repeat after me. Teacher, teacher, teacher. Thank you so much. The third and fourth words are pen and pencil. Most of the learners pronounce it like pen and pencil. No, it's not correct. The correct pronunciation will be pen and pencil. You should be careful about the first sound, P. It will be aspirated. So please repeat after me. Pen, pencil, pen, pencil. The next 2 words are examination and example. Most of the learners of Bangladesh pronounce it like examination and example. But the correct pronunciation will be examination and example. So please repeat after me. Examination, examination, examination. Example, example, example. Thank you. Number 7 is question. Some people pronounce it like caution, but the right pronunciation will be question. Please repeat after me. Question, question, question. Very good. The last 3 words are school, college, and university. Most of my students pronounce it like school, but the correct pronunciation is school. Please repeat after me. School, school, school. Okay, now the next word is college, not college. So please repeat after me. College, college, college. And the final word is university, not university. So please repeat after me. University, university, university. I hope now you can pronounce these words correctly and more confidently. You will need to repeat and practice again and again. Thank you very much for watching this video. If this video is helpful for you, you can subscribe my channel and stay connected with me because I will post new videos every week. You can also visit my Facebook page, clicking on the link given in the description below. Bye-bye.